How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi everyone, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You're in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about the Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family, this program offers you a chance to make money with minimal force and no upfront costs. Before I dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. How the Shopee affiliate program works? Here, how Shopee affiliate program works. First, we have sign up. Head over to Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you are approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links. Generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Then we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and make purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you can earn. So before signing up, let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. No upfront investment first. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products. Then with millions of products available, you have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time, whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker. You can fit this into your schedule. Then we have high earning potential. The more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates make a significant income just by sharing links. The first steps to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. Here is how you can do it. First, you have to visit the Shopee affiliate program. As you can see, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Shopee affiliate program. Then here we have login. If you have an account, all you have to do is put your phone number and password, or username and password, or email and password. Then you log in. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is scrolling down and click over here, sign up. Then you put your phone number, as you can see, and you fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Then we have to agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling in all the required information, submit your application or drive into the homepage of Shopee. This is the homepage. As you can see here, we have login. If you have an account and you want to find it, then we have sign up. We have language, English or the language you want. Then we have education. We have dollars, star sellers, seller center, and the various products. As you can see, if you scroll down, we have various information here. If you read it, you can understand more. Here we have customer service about Shopee, payment, follow us, Shopee app download. So let's back to the top here. Right now, all you have to do is navigate through to various products categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interest or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like, you can choose mini electric fan cross, school supplies, samba shoes, basketball, power bank, headphone, Victoria's Secret, vanilla, buy one, take one. As you can see here we have also mobile phone and gadgets, accessories, home entertainment, babies and kids, home living, groceries, toys, games, collectibles, women's bags, women's accessories, women's apparel, healthy and personal care, makeup and fragrance, home appliances, laptops and computers, cameras, and more and more. You can choose the one you want. Now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the products you want and promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blogs posts, social media posts, YouTube video descriptions, email newsletters, and more. So create compelling content. When sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here's an example of how share affiliate links. First, we have blog post by writing a detailed review of the product and include affiliate link within the post. Then we have Instagram stories. Share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story. This will up link to the product. Then we have YouTube video using review video and include a firm affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. Then we have types of for success. Promote products you love, focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. Then you have your enthusiasm, welcome draw, and make your recommendation more convincing. Then you have leverage social media, use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience, engage with your followers, and create content that showcases the products effectively. Then you have great engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Optimize your links. You have used tracking tools to monitor which links are performance based. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effectively strategies. So that's all you need to know to get started with the Shopee affiliate program. By following these steps and tips, you can turn your passion for sharing great finds into a rewarding income stream. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.